do it.
Trusting that He has your best interest.
The zeal of the Lord will perform it.
If you don't understand selflessness, your faith will be wrong.
Hey, moving in God's direction, walking in God's perfection, aligned with the will of His purpose, higher dimension. I am talking about the faith that God initiate, personal, effortless in alignment with the will of God, a gift and the fruit of the Spirit. I love to see it. Faith so prophetic, this is way beyond logic, never self-serving, selfish seeking things of the world, surrendering sacrificially to the sovereignty of God. The zeal of the Lord will do it. This is purely a move of the Spirit, the willingness of God. The zeal of the Lord will perform it. The aim of faith is not for self-gratification, but God's glorification. The zeal of the Lord will do it. Faith is a disposition of consecration to God. The zeal of the Lord will perform it.